In this video, I am going to show you how you can solve the app spending problem on Play Store. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Google Play Store. At the top right corner, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it and go to settings. Click on network preferences. Then select auto update applications and make sure that it's set to don't auto update apps. After that, click on done. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings, search for app management, then go to app list. Now search for Google Play Store, click on it and then go to storage and cache. After this, all you have to do is to first click on this clear cache option and then click on clear storage. And after this, your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.